This is Skip Jeffries at skipjeffries.com. Basically, car troubles when you're driving a vehicle like my Subaru here is almost 20 years old. It's a 2006, so we'll hit 20 years next year. But inevitably, you'll run into the issue where you've got an engine light that'll come on and you have no idea the car's running fine. Doesn't seem like to be any issues. What do? I mean, you can go out and buy yourself a, what do they call it, OBD 2 sensor, plug it into your car, start it up, and run it. And the other thing that I've seen advertised quite a bit on YouTube here is the little fixed app. I mean, I've had this one for a while. We had teenage kids that moved out of the house, young adults, and a lot of kids these days don't have a whole lot of money to spend to put out like 40 bucks, 120, sometimes even more if you want to get the more computerized type sensor thing. This one here is pretty basic. I mean, it's old. It's an NT201, so it pretty much just kicks out codes, and what good does a code do if you don't know what the code means? So I figured, oh, let's look into the fixed app. I mean, I've used it before on other cars and it seemed to work out pretty good. It kind of gives you an idea, can I still drive the vehicle? Is it a major? Is it a minor? But anyways, hopefully we can see it on screen. Maybe I'll do a screenshot of it. But basically, it kicked out two codes for my car. And you can see by the lit up light that's blinking here, and it says moderate. So I mean, I can drive it, but you just don't want to drive the long distance. But anyways, the two codes that it kicked out is the P2097, which is an engine code, and also it kicked out the P0133, which is an oxygen sensor slow response. So I mean, we'll start off with the first one. If you click on it, and I mean, I don't have the paid promotion for 99 bucks a year. I mean, even kids, I mean, I can't see my kids spending that much a year on that. I mean, how often do you have car issues unless you have a really older car? And normally, I mean, it's almost as cheap just to take it in and have the car dealership run the sensor code. The good thing about this, you know what you're walking into before you even walk into the mechanic store. So, I mean, there's a plus and pros to it, but to me, the cost value of spending the $99 a year just isn't worth it. But I mean, to me, it gives you some good information. Not only does it give you the codes, but it gives you kind of an explanation. So I mean, on the P2097, additional info, your engine computer is detecting that there is too little air present in your exhaust after the catalytic converter. This is also known as a rich condition. Rich conditions can be caused by several factors, but they lead to reduced gas mileage from excessive fuel being used. I mean, your consequences, it gives you reduced miles per gallon. And they've got, if you got the premium, you can ask an AI mechanic to help you learn more about it. And that comes under the $99 a year cost. And then you also, under that premium function, they can confirm fix and cost. So it kind of gives you a cost value before you roll in. So, I mean, it's what you value. If you want to spend the 99 bucks and get that kind of analysis done, you can. They've got to resolve this issue. You can schedule service through this app, which is kind of cool, and that's not under the premium. And then you can call a fixed mechanic, and I believe that will probably charge you. It's got a symbol with a green shield symbol with a check through it, so I'm guessing that's probably under premium also. But they also got a function here, resources for the issue, and it's kind of helpful content. And you press that, and it kicks you out to a YouTube video. And pretty much all it is the commercial to it, I guess, is for the fixed app itself. But if you click down below, it kind of tells you how to fix the Subaru P2097, and it's a little video kind of explaining it. So I'll probably watch that later. And then the other code that it kind of kicks you out to is the P0133 engine code, which is a slow response. The number one O2 sensor measures the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gas and uses information to determine how much fuel to use during combustion. The slow response means that information isn't being relayed to the engine computer in a time to deliver the right amount of fuel. This will cause the engine to run poorly, and consequences slightly reduced MPG. And you've got the same things there as I stated before. If you click on that P033 resources for this issue, and it actually kicks out to an actual code listing, and it kind of gives you different examples of what could be going wrong. Like here it says the DTC P0133 is due to a bank 1 sensor 1 oxygen sensor that's slow to report air levels in the exhaust stream. Faulty oxygen sensor is often to blame, but troubles can involve wiring problems, exhaust leaks, and fuel delivery issues. And then they got a table of contents, and they give you like a how-to diagnostics. Pretty much they kind of tell you that O2 sensors are slowly, or let me just actually read it. The P0133 code indicates an oxygen sensor is responding too slowly. It could either be bad O2 sensors, wiring problems, blown fuses, exhaust leaks, a dirty MAF sensor, or fuel system issues like a weak pump or bad pressure regulator can cause this. In some cases, an engine computer can be involved. So that also tells you, can you drive on it? And they say yes, short-term driving with a P0133 code is acceptable. Repair shouldn't be delayed to prevent more extensive damage. Driving should be avoided if engine performance is affected due to the potential for hazardous situations. They also give you DIYable P0133 triggers include damaged fuse, dirty or defective MAF sensors, or other DIY considerations for the code. It's pretty good, valuable information. I mean, it's something you can add to your toolbox when you go in to see your mechanic, wherever you take your into. I mean, I plan on taking mine in for an oil change. It's due in the near future here, so I'll just take it in early and get the oil change and have them run the test and see what's going on with it. I'm not a mechanic by trade. I mean, I'll do some things, but you got to kind of know your limits. I mean, you could cause more damage than what it's worth on a vehicle. But thank you for watching.